How you doing? This is Pete here, showing you how to fix an iPhone 14. Start off removing the two panel lip screws right by the charging port, as you see here. Had a little trouble with that one, had to pull it out manually. On to the second one. There we go. Next, we start removing the back glass. Use your Sesamo tool here. Kind of got to just wedge it in there. Just look for a good spot. There we go. Now, when it's broken like this, you kind of just want to take your time and just pull by the frame. You'll notice some tabs on the side. You'll try to want to lift those up gently. It'll help and not break the glass so much. As you see, I'm almost halfway through the phone. There we go. Over here on the back side is where the ribbon is for the NFC and the flashlight, so be careful. I'm trying to go in through the broken side now. Yeah, you gotta be careful sometimes because you can get glass on your hand. Try to get all the fragments up in one piece. It makes it easier to remove. You don't send glass everywhere. Almost there. Now, the reason I don't take it completely off at the time being is because I don't want to get anything in the camera lenses. Usually you can get some tape, put it right over it and make sure nothing bad happens. No fingerprints or glass get stuck in there. Ruin the lenses. Just trying to get the little fine kinks out the way. Sorry, I couldn't get it all in the video. There we go, that last glass giving me an issue there. And there we go. Got it all off. Now let's start with the front screen, I'm sorry. The front screen's a lot easier. You just find a good wedge point, slowly start to lift around. There we go. Work your way around the frame just like the back glass. Boom. Now you have two plates. You need your your triangle screw, I'm sorry. Y triangle, same thing. Take the plate off. You take the second one off. As you can see, this one was actually water damage. You can see on the metal backing of the glass. Boom. Next up, you get the replacement. Just so you guys know, this is an official Apple screen. That being said, it does come with a proximity sensor, so I don't have to switch it out. It makes it much more convenient. Just bending the ribbon, throwing out the trash, came in there. getting the tabs off the cameras, all that stuff. Finally bent the flex so we're to sit on the screen. Here we go, popping it in. No big deal. Gotta be careful with it. Make sure you line it up, push it in nice and tight. On for the display. Put them back in the plates. Screw it in. Putting in the last plate and the screw for the screen. Removing the sticker. In all honesty, I should have done it earlier. There we go. Now on to removing the back glass completely and switching it out. You see here, it's almost like the screen lifts to one side. You have your flex cable. There we go. Removing this plate here. Trying to remove the excess glass that's stuck on the adhesive. Now we get the replacement part. Taking off the little stickers that cover the camera. All that. There we go. I got like two more to remove. One. And the NFC. Here we go. Now to pop it on. The flex cable there. Put the plate on. So it's a little tricky. You got to set it down and then slide it in. There we go. We slide it in there. Go ahead and screw it in. There we go. Go ahead and put the pin loops in. There we go. Go ahead and just force restart the phone by holding up, down, then holding the power button until you see the Apple logo. Phone is now good to go. Thank you for enjoying this video.